In this guide, I'll show you how to fix your mobile data not working on O2. So the first thing we need to do is just head over to our mobile device and we're going to launch up the settings app. The first thing you need to do is just select airplane mode, so toggle this on, and then we're going to leave this on for 10 seconds. And once you've waited 10 seconds, we can turn airplane mode back off. Then just come down to mobile service and select this and make sure you have mobile data turned on. Then come over to mobile data options and make sure you have data roaming turned on. Select voice and data, and you can try alternating between 4G and 5G to see if this fixes anything. And then we're going to come back out of this window, come back one more, and head inside of network selection. Make sure this is set to automatic and then come back. Another thing to check here is if we come down to eSIMs, if you have multiple SIMs in your device, just make sure you have mobile data enabled for the specific SIM that you want to be using. I've only got one SIM on my device, so I don't have this option. Then we're going to come back over to the settings menu, come all the way down to general, scroll down again and select transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and then go ahead and press reset network settings. Then you just need to enter your iPhone passcode and this will go ahead and reset all of your iPhone network settings. Then we can come back out of here and you can check to see if that's now fixed the issue. If that still isn't working, the very last thing I'd recommend doing is heading over to settings, come back up to mobile service, come down to mobile data network, and inside of this APN field underneath mobile data, you can try changing this to mobile.o2.co.uk. And if you already have mobile.o2.co.uk written in here, then you can try changing this to idata.o2.co.uk. And then lastly, you're just going to restart your device by turning off your phone and then powering it back up. And that's it, guys. By following all those steps in this video, that should have solved any mobile data issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.